So my question to you is just for any kind of role like accounts payable, account receivable, is it necessary for a fresher to know some kind of software like SAP or anything ERP system, Tally?
Okay, so my first question to you would be like, are you planning to work in a top MNC like Accenture, Genpact, or any?
Yes, yes.
So in top companies, they do not work on Tally. So no, you don't need to learn Tally. Apart from that, you were asking about SAP, Oracle, or any other ERP. So these are good to have skills. If you know them, it is very good. But you won't be in a situation where you got rejected just because you don't know SAP or Oracle. Provided you are not applying for a job where they are specifically looking for someone who already know how to work on SAP. Okay, so
Okay.
you can get job in MNC without SAP or Oracle knowledge, provided you have good domain knowledge. For example, if you are going for R2R or accounts payable, so whatever profile you want to work in, you should have good knowledge of that profile. Only then you will be able to crack the interview.
Sir, are your interview questions like the video post on YouTube and the mock interviews you take, are they sufficient to crack any kind of interview for a fresher like R2 or a P2P process?
Yes, you can watch my playlist. By watching the whole playlist, you can like crack your interview. But because there are so many videos and multiple topics are covered in multiple videos. So if you are looking for a structured way, you can check out my website. There I have ebooks and video courses. You can like prepare for them. But if you have time and you can watch the videos, then you can check out the free playlist as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope that's answer your question.